Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are going to drop the Samsung Galaxy M32 from the 1 kilometer height from the ground. So let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So before we drop this phone, let's unbox this phone. Here you can see guys. Here it has a full HD plus 90Hz AMOLED display, which is really good considering the price point, and it has a U-shaped notch. The phone is powered by the MediaTek G80 processor, which is a budget-range processor, but I would say that it's underpowered considering its price point. And it also has a 64 megapixel main rear camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 garbages, and the selfie camera also is really good. If you know, Samsung camera experience is really good, and it also has a 6000 mAh battery and 15 watt fast charging. So without wasting no time, let's go to our drop location and drop this phone. So here you can see guys, we come to our drop location. In just few moments we're gonna drop this phone. So let's hang this phone to our drone. So let's fly this drone to 1 kilometer height. So are you guys ready? So let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! So let's go to our home and let's see what happens with this phone. Here you can see guys, the phone is unable to survive this test properly. The phone takes the impact really hard, but still it somehow shows some signs of life, but it can't be usable anymore. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content. And final, peace out.